Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will cover the basics of scrolling in my pen platformer. Right now we have this thing, which isn't scrolling at all. Scrolling means that the player is not moving, but the level is. So it seems like the player is moving. The first thing that we want to do is create a new variable called scrollX. For scrollX, make sure it's for this sprite only. Now we want to edit this draw line from block. Drag in the scrollX and drag in 0, x1 minus scrollX, and do the same thing to x2. And you don't have to move the y, because this is only horizontal scrolling. Right now this won't do anything because we need to change this draw square at block 2. So do the same thing, subtract a scrollX from everything from the draw square block. And for this, after we do this draw square, after we do the draw square, we can code in how to make it scrolling. Okay, so now that we have this, we want to set our scrollX to 0. Every time we die or when the game starts. And now we want to set scrollX to playerX over here. However, this is not going to work because we have collision issues. So for collisions, what we want is so we want to move this to negative 500, or wait, don't change that. And we want to draw a line from negative 500 to 500. Now we don't have any collision issues. However, we removed that, so let's just add in this. And now as you can see, it's scrolling. However, as you can see, the level thing is hanging off the edge of the screen. We can do this, and we can solve this by drawing a border. So for this border, first we want to create a clone of ourselves in the beginning. Now drag in a when I start as a clone and make a block called draw border. Now make sure it's run without screen refresh. For draw border, we want to drag it in here, and we want an erase or a pen up, set pen color to this white color or this black color, it depends, and we want to set the pen size to 40. Now we want to go to x negative 230 and y 180. This is over here. Now we want to pen down and to go to x 230 and y 180. Duplicate this, and first we want to go to 230, 180, which is over here, and draw the line down to 230, negative 180. I'll duplicate this again and go to 230, 180 to negative 230, 180, and duplicate it again from negative 230, 180 to negative 230, 180. So right now it's not working for some reason. Oh yeah, because we need a forever loop around our clone. And our border is messed up. Let's see. Negative 230, 180. Pen down, go to 230, 180. Okay, let's scrap this. Well, maybe you don't need to scrap this, so if you just did, just press undo. Actually, just scrap this. So, pen up, go to negative 230, y 180, and pen down, go to 230, 180. So this should draw a line from here to here. Now we want pen up, go to 230, 180. Actually, we don't need that. Go to that. negative 180, and go to negative 230, negative 180, negative 230, 180. So this draws a square around our thing. Now, as you can see, it shows up. Our level shows up. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. If you have any bugs, please send it over in the comments, because I know this has a bunch of bugs, but I can fix it without recording myself. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, and yeah, that's it. Bye.